Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and this is something I've been waiting for a very long time. This is the Ockel Sirius A. It's finally here and I'm going to check it out just for you. Before we start this video, I want to ask you to subscribe so you'll be the first to check our newest and coolest videos on the planet. Let's go. Alright, so what do we have? This is the Ockel Sirius A, the regular one. So with the quad-core Intel Atom X7Z 8750. 4 gigs RAM, LPDDR3, Intel HD graphics 405 and 64 gigabytes of flash memory. So this is a full Windows PC in the palm of your hands. That's what it comes down to actually. It has a lot of ports. It's pretty neat, and this is the protection case, which we're also going to check out. This was also included in the package. So this was on Indiegogo and it was immensely popular. It was really popular. I was also immediately sold when I saw this on Indiegogo, so I had to get my hands on one, and it's finally here and it looks awesome if you ask me. So this is a 6-inch screen, full HD, multi-touch panel, which looks really nice. It has a small camera over here, so you can do some Skype and all that stuff. Then on the sides you have the power button and the volume rockers, and an audio jack for audio. Then on the back, as I already said, it has a lot of ports. It has DisplayPort, HDMI, 2 USB 3.0s, and complete Ethernet port, USB-C 5 volts, and then this port is for charging. It also supports a micro SD card, and this is a fingerprint scanner. So let's see what else is in the box. We are Ockel, we are reinventing the PC. Big words from the Dutch company, but yeah, I hope they deliver. What else do we get in the box? We get a carrying pouch, charge brick, UK plug as well, US plug I think that is, and the charge cable as well. So that's all. Let's put it in the case so we can see what it looks like. So this is the protection case. It says here what I need to do. How do you use this? You can see it on the back. I won't put it on because this is a prototype unit, but you take off the sticky thing over here and then you paste it on the device and then it stands up, and it's also used as a stand, as you can see over here. So pretty nice. Feels very comfortable as well, and it's leather material, so nice. Of course, when you're doing a video, it has to do an update. So that also means that they're doing regular updates, BIOS updates on the device, which makes sure the device works better in the future. By the way, this video is not a full review video. This is a first impression on the device. I want to use it for a longer time to give you my full review on it. But this is a first impression, and as for now, I'm already pleased by the fact that they are doing updates, which is nice, and also by the design. I really like the dried lava look on the back, as you can see. That's pretty cool. Aha! It's finally done. Let's get into this device. So as you can see, the first screen you see is of course the home screen, and you might think that looks a bit weird. Well, that's because it's on desktop view right now, but you can easily change that if you go through here, or on tablet mode at least, not desktop view. Right now it's going to go to desktop mode. If I press it, yeah, okay, I didn't press it. Now it's desktop mode, as we are all very familiar with this. This is just your regular Windows desktop, which looks pretty cool, pretty fast. So one click is left mouse, holding it is right mouse click, as you can see, and then you can drag and all that stuff. So pretty neat, works very well in my opinion, very nice. I'm just going to go to the brightness to see if that's okay. As you can see, it's very responsive. I still find the screen a bit small because my fingers are not big, really not big, but it's sometimes way too difficult to press like very small parts, as you can see over here. But it works, it's responsive, so if you press it, it will work. But that's maybe something that can't be helped with a mouse, because you have the USB input for a mouse via Bluetooth or via regular USB, or you can connect it to a screen and use a mouse, all that. So that can be helped, or that can be fixed at least. but it works, so it's not really that bad at least. So as you can see, yeah, you know everything on the bottom over here. I've installed Firefox, as you can see, and let's see how fast that runs. As you can see, it's already booted, and we're going to go to the red ferret. See how fast that runs. It's via Wi-Fi, so not via Ethernet. Ethernet might be a bit faster, and as you can see, it's loaded and it works fast. So I really like that. It's a mini PC in the palm of your hand, so that's pretty cool. Let's click this article, for example. If there is a lot on the page, it has to load. It will go a bit slower, and that's with every portable device, I think, in my opinion. With an iPhone is the same issue. It's not really an issue because it's still fast, as you can see. It's already loaded, and I didn't cut anything. So let's check out the video. I had some issues when playing an inbuilt video player. So let's see if it works now, after the update, for example. I think it will work. That won't be...
Heidi ho, Heidi,
okay.
hey ho ho, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and this is something you need when you go out on a trip.
As you could hear, the speakers on the loudest volume are not the best. They get a bit distorted on the loudest volume, but they are very usable when you use this for anything else. I think I clicked it, but it didn't record the click, I think. Maybe that's because, oh, as you can see on YouTube, it tends to lag a little bit, which can be an issue for some people. But I think you can install an app or maybe another browser, but it works. It's not that it doesn't work. That would be a bigger issue, I think. So let's go to the Red Ferret. I'm on my channel right now and go to videos. So it's already loaded pretty fast. And let's open this video, for example. And I didn't cut anything right now, so okay. Okay, so that's okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's on my slow Wi-Fi, so maybe that's also an issue. Oh, look, that's what I mean. You want to press something else, and because it's so small, you get an accidental press. You just need to get used to the touchscreen features, because, for example, if you press this, it will start playing. If you press again, it will stop playing. And that's something I'm not really used to, because on iPhone, for example, if you press here, it won't show anything. It will just show the button in the middle, which you have to press in order to start playing. But those are small things and things you can't get used to. Now, I already said that there is a very small camera over here, so let's check out the camera. This is the camera. It's not the best quality. Let's take a picture. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. It would work for Skype calls. It would definitely not be an issue. But still, I need to remember that this is not a tablet. I'm still thinking in my head, this is a tablet. No, this is a Windows PC. This is not a tablet. This is a full Windows PC. So that's pretty cool. It does get hot, in my opinion. I didn't do any heavy duty things and it's pretty hot already. So I've read some things on the Indiegogo campaign, other people that also say that it gets hot, but the comments of the creators were that they made it so that you couldn't get any issues. It does get hot, but you won't get any issues, so nothing will melt or you won't burn yourself and all that stuff. So it gets hot, but it's okay. I think this thing is mainly intended, as the creators also said to me, to take with you on a trip, to take with you when you're working and you need a very small computer and not your big clunky laptop, and you want to type something. For example, on Word, if you have Word on your computer, you probably do, you use this a lot to type things. Right, so as you can see, the Word document has been created, and I can just start typing. I can change the keyboard layout and all that stuff. So, for example, As you can see, it works. There's a bit of lag in my opinion when typing, but I think it would be a bit better if you have an external keyboard because it's still pretty small. But it does work, so if you're abroad, for example, or if you're somewhere externally, you're not working at your office, you have to work somewhere else and you want to grab some quick notes on a full Windows PC, then this works. Pretty nice, pretty cool, really like it. Another main feature people are looking for in this device is gaming. So I've quickly installed Minecraft on this to see if it runs. Of course, it's not the biggest game, but this won't run the biggest games. It only has 4 GB of RAM. It doesn't have the best graphics card and all that stuff, but it will run basic games like, for example, Minecraft, as you can see. So let's just go into this world I've made. It does work, it runs fast, it runs smooth, so no issues with that. Okay, so overall, what would I say about my first impressions? Well, really nice. It's not cheap. It costs around $700 to $800, depending on what type you buy. So you have the Pro and you have a regular one. So it's definitely not cheap, but this is a full Windows PC. This is a PC you buy, and PCs cost that much nowadays. They cost even more. But what is this useful for? Well, I think it's mostly useful for when you're on your work and you are working externally. You have to go somewhere to another company and you need to take your small PC with you. This is great. This is awesome. This is also cool when you're on an airplane, for example, and you want to do some quick browsing, some quick work on the airplane. It works perfectly fine. But as I already said, this was my first impressions, so we're going to give you a full review on this device as well next week or in 2 weeks. You'll see that when you subscribe and when you like this video. But if you already have some questions about the Ockel Sirius A, let them know in the comment section down below and I'll be very glad to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike. And tell us why so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind your Ockel, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.